Welcome to the B.I.R.P Solutions web navigation tutorial. My name is Takia Long and I'm a licensed professional counselor. B.I.R.P Solutions is a new innovation assisting therapists significantly reduce the amount of time it takes to create a detail-oriented and time-justified progress note. Let's take a look at the website. In your toolbar, enter www.birpsolutions.com. Scroll down and you will find Therapeutic Intervention Collection. B.I.R.P Solution offers the following interventions: anger management, anxiety, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, bipolar disorder, depression, obsessive compulsive disorder, oppositional defiant disorder, conduct disorder, post-traumatic stress disorder, schizophrenia disorder, and substance abuse interventions. As a clinical trauma professional, I'm going to select post-traumatic stress disorder interventions. Under post-traumatic stress disorder interventions, you will find 31 products, which means 31 different interventions for your client. I'm going to select post-traumatic stress intervention number 1. PTSD intervention 1 provides a description of the actual intervention. PTSD evaluation, pinpointing the frequency and intensity of symptoms. Therapist and client will develop a symptom management plan. Now, this sounds like a great intervention for my clients. Add the intervention to your cart. Complete the checkout process. Make sure to enter your email address so that you can have ongoing access to your intervention. After your order is confirmed, click the Download Now button and your intervention will populate in Microsoft Word. Now I have my intervention in front of me. There's a detailed behavior section, intervention section, response section, and plan section that I can use successfully with my clients. B.I.R.P Solutions is going to help me improve my overall productivity and help me provide my clients with a more structured and efficient therapy session. And I know that B.I.R.P Solutions can do the same for you. Thanks for watching.